Hey you guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today we are doing the 52-week challenge. It is April the 20th, 2021. I hope y'all are having a great start of your week. Like I said, it is Tuesday, so if you ever want to come back and, hang out with me on Tuesdays when I do this challenges at 5 p.m. CST. Go ahead and hit that notification and you will be notified every time I upload this video and when I upload on Saturdays. But today we are just going to do the 52-week challenge because I literally checked my cash envelopes for the Budget Mom challenge where we, pull the dollar bills out. And yeah, I don't have any dollar bills, you guys. I have a 2 20s, I think 3 20s, and like a 5. So I do not have any dollar bills, so we are not going to be stuffing that, which kind of sucks because we are going to be missing out on a week. But we do have one more week before the month ends. So we are going to, hopefully, fingers crossed, that we are going to be getting some more dollar bills for that. But anyways, before we get started, like I said every single week, if your number is pulled, please go ahead and email me. I usually get back with you on Friday night or Saturday morning or something like that, and I will send you over the $10 Amazon gift card. Now, if I pick a lower number, which is from 10 to 10 or below, then I will have to pull a new number also. So if I pull a number 7 and Nicole Carpenter wins, she will get the $10 Amazon gift card. If I have to pull again and if I pull a 47, then I am still just going to be gifting the Amazon gift card to the first person who matches my first number. And I will shout out the other number or the other person that guessed if we are matched. Only because money is a little bit tighter right now because I am not working as much right now because of school, but I am trying to get done with the 2 weeks because I only have 2 weeks left of school. I'm trying to make sure that I pass this semester. But yeah, so let's just go ahead and pull our number. All right, so we have 25 people. I literally have like $32, so hopefully we will only pull a small number, which will be great, you guys. So let's see. 31. That is crazy. I have $32 left and we only have 30. We pulled a 31. So let's go ahead and see. And we do not have a winner, you guys. So that is extremely sad, but that is okay. There is another chance for somebody else to win. So don't beat yourself up, you guys. Go ahead and just comment really quickly so you can be the first person to comment your number so nobody else will steal it, so you can be number 1. So 10, 20, 25, 30, and 31 is how much we have, and we will put this dollar bill back in here. All right, so let's get our envelope, which is our cash envelopes, and these envelopes are always down below in Amazon. Yeah, so we're just going to open that, get that out. I need a bigger binder, you guys. All right, so we're just going to be getting set up right now. So $31 is how much we got, which is great because that is another big number on the right side. And we're going to be coloring in yellow. So let's go ahead and just color it in real quick. But like I said, I am trying to get ready for finals and everything, so I do have to focus on that. So with that being said, it's very hard, but if you do not see me post in a couple of weeks, that is the reason. I am going to try to still do the 52-week challenge, just to keep current update on that. But I plan on trying to do it just only on Tuesdays. But if I do not, then that is the reason, and I am so sorry, you guys, but I will be back. I promise I will be. This is not the end for me because I absolutely love doing these challenges. I love doing videos. I love talking to you guys and, hanging out with my friends on here. So it's not the end. It's just, depending on how stressful I am towards, towards the final. All right, so let's go ahead, and we have 10s and 5s. Let's go ahead and not count, but we're going to do our envelopes real quick. So we picked 31. And we are at $436 plus 31 equals $467. So $467 is how much we have right now. And also trying to go backtrack to, you know, take in the 2 weeks off to focus on school and everything. We do have 3 weeks that we could work with, so, and still not get behind. So that is one of the reasons why I wanted to pull a second time, just because just in case I do need it, then I can skip a week. So we do have 3 weeks that we could play with, but I am going to try not to, because this money is going towards wedding and I need as much money as possible, you guys. All right, so we are looking for $467. 1, 2, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, and 66. Why am I... It should be 10, 20, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, and 67. So $67. I don't know why I miscounted that at first, but we have $67. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So $467. So hopefully we will have a new milestone next week. I am planning on videoing, hopefully, because I do want to hit that milestone. I want to hit past $500. So hopefully we will pull a big number next week, but I don't know, because, you know, the right side is filling up really fast, and the left side, we're going to have to be pulling some smaller numbers soon. So I don't know. But anyways, thank you guys so much for always coming over here on Tuesday and hanging out with me. I truly do appreciate each and every one of you guys. And if you haven't yet, go ahead and comment your number down below so you can be in the running for a $10 Amazon gift card. We don't have a winner this week, and I am super sad about it, but you know, life does go on. Just be sure that we share the word, share this video, tell them to go and comment so they can be in the running also. But anyways, I love you guys, and I will see you guys later. Bye.